In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Klarna and Afterpay to your Stripe account for payment plans. Start by logging in to dashboard.stripe.com on your preferred web browser. And once you're on your main dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Scroll down to the Payments section and select Payment Methods. This is where you can manage and enable different ways your customers can pay, including Klarna and Afterpay. On the Payment Methods page, you'll see a list of all available options supported by Stripe in your region. Look for Klarna and Afterpay or ClearPay on the list. If they're not visible, check your account's country settings, since these payment options are available only in certain countries and currencies. Once you find them, click the Turn On or Activate button next to each one to start the setup process. Stripe may prompt you to review a short agreement or confirm that your business meets the eligibility requirements. After you agree, Stripe will automatically connect Klarna and Afterpay to your account. This means that once enabled, your customers will see Klarna and Afterpay as payment options during checkout when using Stripe Checkout, payment links, or an integrated payment form. Next, you can test everything in test mode before going live. Go to your Payments tab and create a test payment link or checkout session. On the payment page, you should now see Klarna and Afterpay as available options for your customers to choose from. This lets you confirm that everything is working smoothly. If you're using a custom integration, make sure your checkout code supports multiple payment methods. Stripe automatically detects and displays available options based on your customer's location. Once everything is set up and tested, turn off test mode and start accepting live payments. Customers will now be able to split their payments through Klarna or Afterpay, giving them flexible installment options and helping you increase your conversion rates. That's it. You've successfully connected Klarna and Afterpay to your Stripe account, making your checkout more convenient and appealing to customers who prefer paying in installments. Thank you for watching this video.